In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Turo app. Turo is an exciting peer-to-peer car rental marketplace. It allows you to rent vehicles directly from local hosts. The official Turo app is available on both Android and iPhone or iPad devices. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to open your App Store. If you're using an Android device, this means heading to the Google Play Store. On an iPhone or iPad, you'll want to open the App Store. This is the very first step in accessing the Turo app. It's where all your app-related adventures begin. Take a moment to locate the store icon on your home screen. It's usually quite easy to find, often represented with a colorful icon. Once you have your app store open, the next step is to search for Turo. In the search bar, simply type the word Turo. As you type, you'll see a list of suggestions appear. Keep typing until you see the full name, Turo Car Rental Marketplace. This is the official app developed by Turo Inc. You might see other apps with similar names, but make sure you select this one. It's important because this ensures you're downloading the legitimate app, which is secure and regularly updated. Now that you've found the Turo app, it's time to install it. On an Android device, you'll tap on Install. For those on an iPhone or iPad, you'll tap on Get. This is the magic moment when the app begins to download onto your device. It might take a few moments depending on your internet connection. Feel free to grab a coffee while you wait. Knowing how to install apps efficiently is a handy skill that you'll use often. Once the app has finished installing, the next step is to open it. You can do this by tapping Open directly from the App Store. Alternatively, you can navigate back to your home screen and find the Turo app icon there. From here, you're just a few taps away from discovering all that Turo has to offer. Opening the app is always an exciting step because it's where the real exploration begins. With the app open, you'll need to sign in or create an account. If you already have a Turo account, simply enter your login details. This ensures you can access your existing bookings and saved preferences. If you don't have an account yet, now's the perfect time to create one. You can easily sign up within the app, and from there you'll be ready to book or host vehicles. Creating an account is crucial because it unlocks the full functionality of the app. Without an account, you won't be able to rent or list vehicles. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully downloaded the Turo app and are ready to start your journey. Whether you're looking to rent an exciting new ride or share your own vehicle with others, Turo opens up a world of possibilities. Remember, each time you download and explore new apps, you're enhancing your mobile experience. Thanks for joining me today, and happy renting with Turo.